we are gonna go to the junk hunt. I am not sure if you guys have heard of that, but it is when a bunch of vendors all travel and they come to like certain areas. And I wanna say they do it like 2 times a year. I'm not sure, but this is our 3rd time going. I'm on my way to pick up my friend Jess, and I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along with me to see if we get anything. And then if we do, then we'll come back, you know the drill, do a haul and kind of show you how I styled it. I'm not in the market for anything particular. I'm kind of just going so that we don't ruin the tradition. It is so stormy and so beautiful outside. Yeah, we will see you guys there. Jessie deciding.
Yes. Oh, that one's really cute. So cute. Kind of loving the high glaze. Cute.
I am still on the hunt for my watering can after seeing the one at the Antique Trove a couple weeks ago. Okay, you guys, it's about a week later. It's been a little bit crazy over here. I don't know if you can tell, but my voice is a little raspy. We've been a little bit sick over here. I swear when the kids get sick, then it's like a ripple effect. So we are finally a little bit better this week or today. And I thought I would do a haul of what I got when we went to the junk hunt. I didn't get a ton of stuff. Honestly, we just went there just to go. And there were so many people there, you guys, like, it was packed, like so packed. It was so hard to film. That's why there's not very much footage. But I thought I would do like a mini haul and then share what's in these boxes because I'm so excited to be working with a brand and I've wanted some of their stuff for so long. So I can't wait to show you that. But let's do a mini haul. I just got 2 things from the junk hunt and one of them I absolutely did not need. Like, did not need it. But when I saw it, look how cute this little pot is. I could not say no to it. I have never seen one this small and I just thought it was so cute. And so yeah, I absolutely did not need this, but did I want it? Yes. And we'll just add it to the collection. The ever-growing collection. And then this next item you saw in the video, and it was something that I could not pass up. It's this little vintage basket, and I thought it would be so cute for like pool days. If I want to put like snacks in here, I can put like sunscreen, drinks, whatever. And then I also figured like once our backyard was done, I could always do like cute picnics. And I saw it and it was only $15 and I thought the patina on it was really, really pretty and I needed it. So that is all I got from the junk hunt. If you guys are in an area where the junk hunt happens, I would highly suggest you to grab one of your best girlfriends and make it a day. We love doing them every time they come into town. Then we always go and get sushi. It's just like a fun way for us to like share our love for home decor. Now, before we get into these boxes, I've been waiting to unbox things with you guys because I actually really love sharing what I get in the mail with you guys here on the channel. But I also got the Aura ring right here, and I just got this because I wanted to get like a baseline of my overall health, and I'm obsessed. Like, I don't wear an Apple Watch. I'm not really like, I don't know. I've never really been into one of the smartwatches. And then I also wasn't really into like the Aura rings either because I felt like they were a little on the thicker side. But honestly, I'm getting used to it and I don't mind it all that much. So I got this. It's about, I don't know, tomorrow I think it will be a week and I'm like obsessed, like constantly checking the app. I love it. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And then what's in these boxes? So I don't know if you guys have heard of the brand McKenzie Childs, but they reached out and wanted to work with me. And so they offered to send me some of their stuff. And this item right here is one that I have been wanting for a while, but never pulled the trigger on buying it. And so now I have it. I haven't opened any of these boxes with you guys. Everything's like still wrapped up, but I just like opened it so I didn't have to bring the scissors upstairs. But, oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, there's so many tape. I should have brought the scissors up anyways. If you haven't heard of the brand, I'm sure you have seen these tea kettles going around. And this one, oh, I could already see it, and I'm so obsessed. So you know my obsession with birds, which I don't even know where it came from. I used to not be a bird lover. My mom had birds growing up like my whole life, and I absolutely hated them. Like, that's why I still sleep with earplugs. They were just so loud. But I don't know if it's once I moved like out of the city and kind of more like country living, I like sit and watch like all the birds. I have a bird feeder. I have a hummingbird feeders. Those are my absolutely favorite birds. But you guys, look how cute this little tea kettle is. And the reason I got this one, there was so much good stuff on the site. I didn't know what to pick. And it was when I was driving down to LA and I was like trying to do it in the car. And I kept going back and forth. I was texting Jess like, ultimately, I just settled on their classic. So they have so many different type of tea kettles that you can choose from. Wow, pretty good quality. The bird is really honestly what sold me. Look how cute that is. Although I wish it was a hummingbird, but beggars can't be choosers. So we got the little tea kettle. And then I got all going to be from their black and white collection because I just figured that was so classic. I went between the black and white and then the tan and white, but ultimately I just settled with the black and white just because, like I said, it's their classic one. I ended up getting this little berry canister. I thought that would be so cute in a kitchen, like in the fridge, just putting like little berries in it. I love being able to work with brands that I've known for years and have followed and have like looked up to and was like, oh, one day I'm gonna get that, one day I'm gonna get this. And so to be able to like work with them for social media is like still mind-blowing to me because like I'm a smaller creator, you know, like I don't have hundreds of thousands of followers yet, but to be able to work with these brands that trust me and that like love the content that I make, I just love it. I love it, you guys. I just love it. So this is another forever thankful, like pinch me moment sort of thing, you know? Oh, there it is. So I had ordered a couple other things and I thought it didn't come, which I'm like, totally fine, but they packed it in my bowl. So let's see if I know what this is. Yep, here it is. Okay, so then I got like a little mug, like a little tea mug, obviously, for my little tea kettle. I thought it would be cool. So my mother-in-law she works at Williams-Sonoma, so she's like a snob when it comes to like that kind of stuff. She loves to cook. She's like such an amazing cook and all that stuff. So we have like tons of La Creuset, which funny story. I had no idea. Okay, I am not a cook at all. Not at all. I bake sourdough, but that's about it. So I am not a cook. And my mother-in-law is a cook and she works at Williams-Sonoma and has all of the high-end everything. And I also don't know if you guys know, but she has like she lives with us, but she has like an in-law suite on our house. So she's not like in our house, but she has like her own house. But with that being said, her space is a lot smaller. So she can't store a lot of her stuff, like, because she has so much cookware stuff, you guys, like so much. She can't store it in her house. So she uses our kitchen. And since I don't cook, I had nothing. So she put it in our house. And I remember I was going to go to the Goodwill. And I was like, I hate these pans. I hate them. I felt like every time I used them, they always burned. And I was so pissed at these pans because I'm like, these aren't even good. Like I like the like non-stick pans. Well, she has the whole like La Creuset. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. The whole La Creuset collection. and I was gonna donate it to the Goodwill. Please don't tell her. She would die. So I eventually thought, oh, I would have like the whole collection of this. Like eventually I would get the whole collection. But then I think that I have all of that La Creuset in my house that I don't even use. I use some things, but not like a lot of it. But I thought that that was funny because I told a couple of my friends and they were like, if you ever get rid of that, you need to let me know. Well, now that I know what it is and like how expensive it is and like that it's like the top of the top, I would never donate it ever. I would just learn how to cook with it. But anyways, so we're gonna have some of this mixed in. I guess I'm a little bougie when it comes to pots and pans, which I have no idea even how to cook. So that's something about me. Okay. Oh, so this one's the little teacup. Okay, so then I got like the little teacup because I do love coffee. I do love coffee and my like occasional teas at certain times of the year. But like this one's the little teacup. And then this one right here is the little coffee mug. So we got those. And then like I said, I'm a huge sourdough lover and maker. So I thought it would be cute to get like this bowl to like let it rise in and like mix it in. Okay, look how cute this little pan is. Oh, with the bird again on top. The bird is what sold me. I love this. I'm sorry, but the La Creuset is great, but like this is so cute and so like aesthetically cute on your counter or on your stove. So I thought I would get this to make my simmer pots in. I love making a simmer pot. So this one I think is going to be used for that. And like so many other things like making the kids mac and cheese and, you know, all of the non-cooking mom things. And then let's see what this one is. I think this one is a smaller version of that one, which now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know what I would use that for. So maybe you cooking people out there can tell me, because I got this one because again, I thought it would be so cute to eventually have like a little set. So this one has a cute little flower on the top. Oh, that one's so cute. So what I loved about them is that they had tons of different like little designs on the top. So I got the bird and then the little flower. Oh, how cute would this be if it was a hummingbird? Because like hummingbirds eat the flowers. Get it? It's so cute. So we love that. And then I think there's one more piece. I don't even know what this one is. Oh yeah. And then I got like the little strainer. I have tons of like bigger ones, but I don't really have like smaller ones. So I thought this would be really, really cute. So that is it. And one more thing, the beams in the dining room are up and they are so good. Like I did not expect like them to make that much of an impact in the space. They look so good. So I'll give you a little sneak peek right here at the end of this video, but you have to stay tuned because in the next video, I think I'm going to reveal them. For watching another video of mine, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.